Hello, welcome. Today let us have the class on simultaneous linear equation chapter. How to solve the simultaneous equations by elimination method you are going to learn today. Okay. At first simple example I am giving you 3x plus 4y equal to 10, 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. How to solve these two equations by elimination method? Let me explain you. Elimination means either x or y you have to eliminate by working out. So let me show you how to do this. First equation coefficient of y is 4. Second equation coefficient of y is minus 2. And here 2, here 3 x coefficients. If you multiply second equation by 2, you are getting minus 4 here. Then we can cancel and eliminate this. I hope this is clear. Let us multiply second equation by 2. 2 into 2x minus 2y equal to 2 into 2. We will get 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. This is the given first equation. This is second. After multiplication by 2, we are getting third equation. Now let us solve these two. Let us take first equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and take the third equation 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. Let us add these two equations. When we add, plus 4y minus 4y cancel, 3x plus 4x is 7x is equal to 14. That implies x is equal to 14 by 7, that equals to 2. So value of x you got 2. This value of x you can substitute in any of the equations to get the value of y. Let me substitute here simpler equation I am filling. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. X value 2 you got. 2 value of x 2 minus 2y is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. Let me bring this 2 minus 2. This 2 minus 2y when it goes that side plus 2y. 4 minus 2 is 2. That means 2y is equal to 2 or 2 equal to 2y or y is equal to 2 by 2, that is 1. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. See, x value 2, 2 3s are 6. Y value 1, 4 1s are 4, 6 plus 4, 10. Yes. You can check at last after getting, you check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay. First question, so very simple one I did for you. Now next question I am going to do, little complicated I will do, and that is a different variety also I want to do. Okay. So your next question is 15x minus 14y is 170. 14x minus 15y is 150. You see children, here coefficient of x is same as coefficient of y of next equation. Coefficient of x of second equation is coefficient of y in the first equation. In these cases, a simple way you have to do is, we have to add both the equations and we have to subtract both the equations. Then we are going to get two simpler equations. How is that? Let me show you. Let us add two equations. Okay. By adding two equations, let me write equation 1, equation 2. By adding 1 and 2, let us see what we are going to get. 15x minus 14y plus 14x minus 15y equal to 117 plus 115. 15x plus 14x is 29x. Minus 14y minus 15y is minus 29y equal to 7 plus 5, 12, 3, 2, 32. 29 is common. X minus y equals to 232 or x minus y is equal to 232 by 29. 29 is a prime number. Let us see with what number it can cancel. 9 is here, 2 is here. 8 9 are 72, 2 7 carrying, 8 to 16, 7, 23. Yes. 29 1 are 29 8 are. That means x minus y equal to 8 we got. Let me take this as third equation. So, when we added these two equations, we got x minus y equal to 8 Is it not a simpler one? Now, let us subtract this equation from this and see. 15x minus 14y minus 14x minus 15y equal to 117 minus 115. Let us open the brackets. 15x minus 14y minus 14x plus 15y is equal to 2. So 15x minus 14x is x minus 14y plus 15y is plus y equal to 2. You see, one more simpler equation you got. Now x minus y is 8, x plus y equal to 2. Let us solve these two to get the values of x and y. So x minus y is equal to 8, x plus y is equal to 2. When we add, minus y plus y is cancelled. 2x is equal to 10 or x is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. Now value of x we got, and in order to get the value of y, let us work out. X plus y equal to 2, 5 plus y is equal to 2, that implies y is equal to 2 minus 5 or y equal to minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 3. If you substitute these values of x and y here, you can get this. That is a kind of checking. Let me solve one more problem for you, which is a little more complicated one. Okay? So your next question is, solve 2x plus y equal to 23. 4x minus y is equal to 19. Hence, find the values of x minus 3y and 5y minus 2x. First, let us solve these two, then we have to, whatever values of x and y we get, we have to substitute here to find these values. Okay? The two given equations are 2x plus y is equal to 23, 4x minus y is equal to 19. Very simple. Here plus y and minus y is there. When we add those two equations, they will be cancelled. So very simply we can do plus y minus y cancel. 6 is x equal to 42. So x is equal to 42 by 6, that is 7. So value of x we got 7. Let us substitute any of one of the equations to get the value of y. 2x plus y is 23. 2 into 7 plus y is 23. 14 plus y is equal to 23. Or y is equal to 23 minus 14, that is 9. 23 minus 14 is 9. So we got the value of x as 7, value of y as 9. Solve. That means we have solved already, got the values of x and y. Now we have to find value of x minus 3y. So x minus 3y is equal to x value 7, 3 by 3 into y value 9. 7 minus 27 gives you minus 20. So value of x is 7, value of y is 9, that is all we did, and value of x minus 3y is minus 20. Now we have to find one more question which is there, 5y minus 2x. 5, y value 9, minus 2, x value 7. 5 9s are 45, minus 14. If you subtract, you are getting 31. So this one minus 20, the value of this is 31. So different varieties I have explained you. I hope this is clear to you. So elimination method means either x or y you have to eliminate. For that you have to make the coefficients of x or coefficients of y same. Previous examples, I hope you understood. 3 different varieties I have explained you, so that you will be able to solve the questions very easily. Thank you.